Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about amazing freelancing websites from where you can find work from home jobs and start making money online today. Now, these all websites accept people from all across the world. You can be from anywhere in this world and still be able to join these platforms. On these platforms, daily thousands and thousands of jobs are posted. A job can be as simple as writing a small piece of content to creating a graphic, which is very basic. Now, you don't have to be very professional while using these websites because all you need is some basic skill and you'll find jobs for you. You can easily make up to $20 to $80 using these websites since they have people coming from Western countries like USA and Europe, which pays a lot more. So if you are especially living in India, China, Philippines, Pakistan, Africa, any other country of this world, then this is a great opportunity for you to make money because you are going to get paid in US dollars, which is much higher and much more efficient to you if you are living in a second world country or a third world country. Now, before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. So the first website I'm going to talk to you about is Upwork.com. Upwork.com is my personal favorite website. From this website, you can find lots and lots of amazing jobs. So you can click on find work here and then click on ways to earn, and it will tell you what are the various methods to earn money from Upwork. Now there are two major ways to make money through Upwork. One is by applying to the jobs which are already posted. The second way is to add your skill set in a form of a gig and someone can purchase that. For example, you add a gig that translation of English to your local language for $10 for 100 words. And then if someone likes that, they'll purchase it. So these are two ways to make money. Now you can see that it has amazing rating and it is the #1 freelance platform without any doubt. Last year, over $2.3 billion were paid on Upwork to various freelancers. Now you can see that there are some amazing and really powerful reviews by people. They are getting paid $90 per hour, $50 per hour, $70 per hour. So people are making real money using this website. And you can find jobs in IT sector, writing and translation, admin and customer support, finance and accounting, design and creative, sales and marketing. In fact, not only that, you'll find there are protected payments. That means before accepting any job, your money is deposited into an escrow so that you will be definitely get paid. So there's no chance of fraud. This is an amazing website. I'm using it from the past few years and I'll definitely recommend you to use Upwork to make money online. Now the second website I'm going to talk to you about is Freelancer.com. This is the second best website of the world currently to find freelancing jobs. You can click on find jobs while after coming to this website, and then you can select what skill you are looking for. Now for example, I'm looking for logo design jobs. So I'll click on logo design, and as you can see that in logo design jobs, you can see lots and lots of money which is mentioned here: $100, $50, $27, $44, $70. So you see there is lots of money involved on this website as well, and you can earn a really good income. Now there are lots of different categories available here. You can see that you can look for local jobs, featured jobs, recruiter jobs or full-time jobs. Then you can select your languages. You can even select which kind of job you're looking for, like small project, large project. Then you'll also have an option to select that if you want to divide the earning in milestones. So this means that if a project is $1,000 old, you don't have to necessarily wait for the whole project to end. You can just set 10 milestones of $100 each. So you will be paid very earlier, and this is a really powerful way to make money online using this website. Now the third website I'm going to talk to you about is called as Guru.com. So Guru.com is also an amazing place to get hired as a freelancer. You see they are also providing lots of different categories like programming and development, design and art, writing and translation, administrative and secretarial, sales and marketing, business and finance, engineering, architecture, education training, legal. So you see, no matter what your profession is, you can find jobs on Guru.com. There are lots of different categories, and people are getting paid hundreds and thousands of dollars every single day. You see, right now they have paid over $250 million to their freelancers, and this is not a joke. You can see there are so many skills listed here. If you have any of these skills, you can get paid. You can be a sales expert, you can be a construction estimator, You can be providing ad posting services, you can be a fitness trainer, you can be a tax lawyer, you can be an interior designer, a craftsman, a teacher. You can be anything and make money on guru.com. They have so many skills in so many different categories. Now, the fourth website I'm going to talk to you about is called as peopleperhour.com. So as the name says, peopleperhour.com, that means you can get hired on hourly basis. Now when you get hired on hourly basis, you can easily make $40 to $80 per hour on this website. They have over 4,000 reviews on Trustpilot and 4.3 is their rating based on their 4,004 reviews. Now they have amazing offers, like they just want a small SEO friendly website for $100. That's like 4 hours of job. Write up to 1,000 words of copy on any subject for $40. That means for 1.5 hours of work, you'll be making $40. Now you need to create a simple logo here and it will pay you $30. So you see, it's very easy. You need to write someone's LinkedIn profile and you'll make $225. So it's a great way to make money online. People per hour is really powerful and working for many people out there to make money online. Now the fifth website I'm going to talk to you about is SEOclerks.com. So SEO Clerks is a very powerful website from where you can find jobs if you are into SEO industry. From SEO industry, I mean like writing content, creating backlinks, doing keyword research, doing on-page optimization, off-page optimization. So if you are into all of these things, then you can easily make lots and lots of money from SEOclerks.com. You can see that $110, $300, $40, $55, $60, $77. People are making lots and lots of money online using SEO Clerks website as well. Now there is this website called as Stoptale.com. It is a recent website and it is also gaining lots and lots of popularity these days into various new countries, and they have amazing people out there which hire you to do some specific jobs. Now these jobs can also be from any category. You can see they have jobs from lots and lots of different categories. As you can see that Python developer, JavaScript developer, product owner, product developer, UI UX designer, Scrum Master, MBA, finance, C#. So you see there are lots of different categories. Anyone can click on apply as a freelancer and then they can just fill in this simple form to apply onto Topal. You can also log in using LinkedIn. Now there are many top companies which are working with these websites, so make sure that you have sign up on all of these websites which I have shown you today. These 6 websites will help you to make lots and lots of money online. So guys, this was my list of amazing freelancing websites from where you can start making money online today. I hope you go to each one of these websites, create your free account and sign up and then start applying to gigs so that you can start making money today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.